check. 1, 2. I think we're live, guys. I'm just making sure. First, let's go. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Bear with me. I should have been able to set this all up before stream. My vertical stream's not streaming vertical. Dagnabbit. Okay, maybe it is. Okay, I guess we do got a vertical stream. What's up? What's up? Champion, thanks, bro. Thank you. Maddie, good morning. What up? Good morning, guys. Bear with me. I'm still kind of getting things set up, but I'm still not feeling well, but we here. I got my Earl Grey tea. Vol is no good. Yeah, there's no volatility at all. So we're gonna take it slow. We're just gonna chill out. This is my only trading day this week because I leave for the holidays tomorrow. What's your advice to me for me to be like you, bro? My advice for me to be like me is to be like you. Find out what it's like to be you, bro. Because I don't think anybody wants to be like me, man. Got to post in the Discord. Hold up. I like to trade like you. Yeah, man. Hey, listen, it takes years, but my advice to you is to follow the process, and whatever your process sounds like is to focus on the process over the profits. And that's easier said than done, right? It's much easier looking at the profits and how to make money than really focusing on the process, which is this freaking god candle. We are thinking about a giveaway today, okay, guys? But we gotta figure out what we're gonna do about it. All right. But yeah, focus on the process over profits. Heather Feather. What in the world? Hashtag God Candle. Y'all crazy, man. Y'all crazy. Discord has a group of guys that are going to be trading live together while I'm live. So you're more than welcome to join the Discord and join the guys. But we here, man. We here. We chilling. Trying to get this Facebook Live pulled up, but I guess I ain't going to do it today. Come on. Oh man, sorry. Just please forgive me coughing in your ear. It has been like a week straight of not feeling well already, but I'm on the tail end. It feels like my wife got it, so I feel horrible. She got sick. My Miss American Pie, pulled the levy on the Chevy, better than mine. This is gonna be the day that I die. You guys know that song? I should at least win once before the giveaway runs out. Hey, for right now, it doesn't seem like we're giving out. We're running out. Okay. So, yo, what the, Eric, bro, what the heck, man? Thank you so much, man. I got tea this morning, but tomorrow I will grab myself a cup of coffee in California. Thank you so much. You know what? Starbucks, that might be a little light on the Starbucks side, bro. I hate how expensive Starbucks is, but I'm just kidding. That covers my, I usually just drink straight up, what is it called? Black coffee with a little creamer. I don't get anything fancy at Starbucks. It's like $4. So this is perfect. Thank you, man. Thank you. I need to figure out how to make that a thing where it like pops up on the stream. And I know you're home, Eric. Hopefully you're enjoying yourself home with the family. Enjoy yourself as much as possible, brother. Excuse me. Thank you. Hello, I have both your streams pulled up right now. Let's go. That's great. That's good to hear. The horizontal stream is a bit wacky. It's like stretched for some reason, so I think I'm almost close to figuring that out. I think I know what it is, but I'm not going to mess with it right now. But so far, the vertical stream looks pretty good. But yeah. For T, Yerba Mate is good. I have not tried that yet. Might slap this bad boy in the freaking in the microwave because it's not hot anymore. Yep. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ. I saw Erica trading in the Discord last night. Congrats on passing that 25K account with Take Profit Trader. Just going to quickly kind of go over supply and demand zones. What's crazy is on gold, there are no previous supplies currently. We're at all-time highs on gold, so anybody invested long on gold is doing good. Bitcoin has done a little bit of a rally. With low volatility in Christmas time, it's a bit rough to kind of tell what's going to happen. But take forever. So with gold, I'm only going to be looking for anything pretty much long. Have a demand here. A bit risky in my opinion to grab it. It'll prices come back down to this one. So gold isn't really too interesting to me. I would most likely look for longs on the way back down. Here. I don't think this is going to happen today. This 1 hour end would be extreme high probability long. But I don't think that's happening today. NQ. NQ's almost at all-time highs too. Jeez, man. With the tariffs and the AI bubble and inflation, and the Fed's only cutting 1/4 of a basis point. You know, I was bearish, but that's what happens when I'm a long-term bear. You get short-sighted and you think that the market's gonna fall when we're almost back to all-time highs. Now, whether we double top here and fall, I don't know. But if I was like a long-term swing investor, man, buying these dips are great. You know, usually whenever there's some sort of news, tariffs are coming, it's like an overreaction, right? This is why I just scalp. So right now, NQ, you know, there's a supply zone right here. And then a demand zone right here. So that's it. Nothing crazy going on right now, guys. Gold is on a bull run. It is, man. It really is. It's not joking. It really is crushing shorts. Anybody short gold is hurting right now. Anything on all-time high on gold is risky, but before we broke structure at that all-time high, so long would have a better chance possibly. Yep, for sure. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, and then with low volatility, guys, you know, unless the setup looks very sweet and we get a little bit of volatility, I probably won't trade my funded accounts. We had a green week last week, up $1,500 or $1,400. Not focused on trying to get a payout or anything, just letting it be. Mr. Paradox, I wish I knew what you were saying there, but I don't know, my friend. But I can ask Google Translate. Let's see. How are you? I'm doing good, my friend. I'm doing good. The magic of Google. It's like very beautiful letters. Where is this? Bengali. That's so cool. Bangladesh, primarily a Bangladesh. Very cool. I'm getting a tablet to be able to trade in other places than my setup. Nice. That's smart. I tried mobile trading from my phone and just not good. Just not good. Maxie, what's up? Good morning. Good morning. Well, let's get this party started, guys. Just a gentle tap on the like button would mean so much. Would mean so much. Just to get the juices flowing, the algorithm juices flowing, as I generally say. I was going to go live on TikTok also, but I think that my internet has seen the max already. So we're chilling with you guys on YouTube. Not going to lie, it does not taste good. Earl Grey does not taste good. Earl sucks. Check gold. Yeah, we just went over gold. All-time highs. 1 hour demand. We're already there. Tapped it, and then we went even higher. Very risky to do anything short on gold at the moment. This is more of a buy the dip play. Psychology wise, I don't want to buy the dip in this 1 hour demand because I feel like we're overbought. But whenever we make all-time highs on anything, a lot of the times we just go higher. So phone doesn't work out very well for me. I instantly lose if I take a trade using my phone. It's rough, man. It's rough. I think phones just like dangerous. It's like it makes you even more easily to go on tilt and overtrade because of how easily accessible it is. Now I see the chat. Hey, Jello, what up, bro? Which app are you using? If you're talking about trading, I'm using TradingView, which is in the middle screen, and then on the bottom screen is TopStep X or Project X. But it's holiday week, guys. What do we got going on? Where are you guys going? What are you doing? Chilling? Do you not celebrate Christmas? Happy Hanukkah or whatever else you celebrate? What are you guys doing? I'll be going to Cali. Thinking about going to Disneyland. Oh yeah. Big MG Fitness, what's up? Bro, BTC? What about that BTC, bro? Okay. Look, Bitcoin has seen better days, but, you know, on the daily, we created a little bit of a bottom here. No, I'm a bear. I want to see this drop even. It's a pretty strong monthly candle. We got 9 days left in the month. If this monthly candle stays within this range, we might be creating the next higher high. I don't know, bro. My BD is on Christmas Eve. No way. I hear that it's not the best when your birthday's on Christmas Eve, because like everything's combined in one. Unless you got it cool with your family where you get your birthday and Christmas separate. So like you get birthday gifts and then Christmas gifts. Oh, we got 66 people watching and only 6 likes. Come on, guys. Let's get the likes up. Maybe we do a giveaway today. I got a 50K account that I can give away. You know, maybe I'm feeling, put my Santa Claus hat on, get a 50K account giveaway and a 25K account giveaway. Maybe I just do both. Get it done today, you know, but we gotta get the likes going. What big amount have you had? What big amount? What do you mean by like payout? My biggest one-time payout? I don't know if that's what you're talking about. But it was TopStep. Like $5,000. Nah, we're Mexican. They definitely do everything together. That's funny, bro. That's funny. One of my clients owns a landscaping business, and he's Mexican. Super cool guy, and I love the vibes that he gives. But they invited me to their Christmas party, bro. Oh my gosh, bro, they went ham. Mexicans know how to party. They don't have fun, dude. Crazy. Yo, I need Robux. Robux, what is that? Is that Roblox? I don't know what Robux is, bro. So sorry. Mook said hi, what's up? Are from where? Me? I'm in the beautiful state of Arizona. Man, where's the Discord chat? Man, my Discord link is not inside of the description for whatever reason. Guys, I got a free Discord, and I gotta get you guys to join. It's a good time, okay? Join the Discord. We've got profitable. We got unprofitable. We got all types of traders. We got short. We got tall. We got fat. and we have profitable and we have unprofitable. We're just a bunch of guys who love to trade, and gals. I'm sure there's a few girls in there. Let's see. Oh, I'm from India. Nice, man. Welcome. We love the Indian community every time they join. So welcome. Yeah, all the companies are having their posadas. Basically a Christmas party. I see. Bro, they hired a live band and they went ham. I can't wait to drop the video. The edit that we did. Maybe I'll show you guys. Oh no, I'm gonna get copyright because of the music. I can't. I'm almost to 4,000 watch hours. I have 80 hours left. So, dude, in the Discord, I'll show you later, bro. I shot a video that had the Grinch doing tequila shots with everybody. Like, he was dressed up as the Grinch and he was like leaning everybody's heads back and just pouring down tequila shots. I was like, bro, what in the world? I can't join my parents. Don't let me. I can't join my parents. Don't let me. Gotcha. Hey, all good. No worries. Trading Kisco. Yeah, you got some good parents there. Trading Kisco. Kudese seke ker karni hai. Bro, that sounds like a beautiful language. I don't understand though. What's my trading plan for gold? Currently, right now, nothing. I really want to see a retracement to do anything long. To be honest, just somewhere down here, but I don't think we're gonna get anything, to be honest. We got full senders. Yeah, that's true, Wolf. We do got some full senders in there. Maybe we create a badge in the Discord of full senders. All it says is full send or send on the name, because I know when I was like heavy in building the community a while ago, you can like create badges and whatnot. So maybe we come up with something like that. Do you show us live trades on YouTube, entries and exits? Yes, I do, 100%. Hey, all the OGs in here, they see me all watch. Wow, they've all seen me lose and they all see me win. They saw me pass 2 funded accounts last week, and they've seen me run this one up to $1,500. So, should I sell XAU USD? Cheers. What's up, brother? Cheers. Gold right now, on the 1 minute did do a double top, but on the 1 minute it's not very like strong of a confluence for me. The only way I'll short is if I see a break of structure, but I don't really see a supply zone. I mean, this technically is a supply zone. Excuse me, guys. So sorry. But yeah. It's Hindi language. Very cool. Very, very cool. Yeah, you're not the only one full send away from changing your life. Don't do that though. Stay disciplined risk management. Yeah, for real. I mean, right now I can take this 50K Express account. I can full send, 3 minis, I think. And just see what happens, But nah, can't do that. Hey bro from the UK. What's up, man? What's up? Welcome. What time is it out there in the UK? Excuse me. I've been watching a guy from the UK, and the dude is hilarious. Nico, YouTuber in the UK. He traveled to all continents in 30 days, and he's from the UK, I believe. Very cool guy. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of him, but super cool guy. Yeah, I'm feeling good about this 50K giveaway. Okay, 50K giveaway, but 50K equals 50 likes. So I think that's the standard. And then to give a 25K, we got to get to 75. So for me to give away a 50K account and a 25K account today, we got to get 75 likes. 50 likes for 50K, 25 likes for the 25K. I think that's only fair, right? I think that's only fair. 1:56 p.m. Nice. Yeah, I think you're ahead of time. Very cool, man. Hopefully the weather's beautiful for you and you're enjoying yourself. $50K as much? Did I say 50K likes? Meant to say 50 likes. So 50 likes is a 50K account. 25 likes is a 25K account. So 75K, 75 likes total. 75 likes total. I will give away 2 accounts. One is with Funded Heroes. The other is with TX3 Markets. Hi there from South Africa. Levon, let's go get those likes up. Let's go. Hi there from South Africa. Beautiful. South Africa is awesome. Welcome, welcome. Nigeria, if I can even get 1K to start a proper trading account. I hear you. I am still waiting for my check from the dealership. I just checked in with them because I sold my Supra. And I'm waiting for the check so I can take $3,000, put it into a funded account with Trade-Evate and start trading that. And then also, I have someone in Arizona selling a R33 GTR. And it looks sick, guys. He hasn't listed it yet, but I got to show you guys. I'm on a 50K Apex, been live forward, testing gold. Moves are nice. Nice. Are you trading like currently in current all-time highs? Who was the one with the 5 YouTube accounts, dude? We need you again. Someone's got 5 YouTube accounts? Crazy. I mean, 50K account is much. Is much, like, is a lot or not enough? Oh, man. Sorry if I just burped in the... Sorry if I burped in the microphone. But, bro, I got to show you guys his GTR. So he's putting it through paint correction right now. But this is the potential next car. Because I sold the Supra, been kind of sitting on my hands. I was looking at an R35 out of state, but there was like a bell housing issue. Someone in another group thread looked at it, and it was like rattling, and I don't even want to deal with it. But this is... Once he gets it through paint correction this week or next week, he said. He hasn't listed it. We're going to meet up, and I'm going to drive this. But I want... 'cause some of us are car guys in here. Shout out Eric. Eric's got a drifting machine. But this is what I'm currently looking at. Figured I share that. We're a bunch of dudes. It says in my analytics that most of us are dudes, so I figured I share. I'm looking at this GTR. I was 4, not 5 YouTube accounts. Gotcha. Just join the chat. Are you trading gold? Yeah, I mean, potentially we'll be trading gold today, depending on what I see. Careful what you say. If it only takes one person to claim they invested because of your influence for them to investigate you for fraud. Gotcha. Yeah. None of this is financial advice. And everything I say is for entertainment purposes only. How do you find gold moves during the holidays now? I stopped trading CFDs last week. You know, last week wasn't too bad. There was still some volatility. It was a little bit choppy, but there was enough moves, you know, for us. But, you know, look at gold. Gold last week was pretty choppy. But there was opportunity in the market, you know. For our setup, or for my setup, it's not crazy moves like this, you know. We're not looking for this. Even though this is nice. Do you trade real accounts or funded? I've got funded. This is 2 funded 50K accounts currently. When really I've got a balance of 2 grand on each of those. People don't like to hear it, but you know, you're not really paying for a 50K account. It's all fugazi. You pay for the daily drawdown. So if the daily drawdown is 2 grand, you're paying X amount of dollars for a $2,000 funded account, right? So TopStep is $97 right now. So you're paying $97 for a 2K account. And you know, hindsight, I've passed so many prop firm accounts, which is pretty crazy that I've turned 2 grand into 3 grand. And if you look at it that way and you actually fund a 2 or 3 grand account with your own money, you can turn 2 to 3 grand into 5 grand easily. So that's why I'm gonna go ahead and take 3 grand, open up my own funded account and trade the same setups, probably size down a little bit. And as long as I follow the system and I don't go on tilt, the account should grow. Dow is moving good at the moment. Nice. I haven't looked at the Dow. I don't look at the Dow, but that's good. I mean, let me look at NQ. NQ's running up here. You know, supply. Excuse me. To break a structure, higher high, lower high, higher high. You know, I don't think it's perfect. But we broke this last. Higher high, lower high, higher high. If we continue higher, we make the next leg higher. Like if this next 5-minute candle closes higher above these, then instead of looking for shorts, I would potentially look for longs from this 5-minute demand. We are a bit far away from the 200 EMA, but I potentially like looking for longs on NQ here. All right, so we did create a new higher high. So I'm going to wait for some sort of retest back to look for a long. Trading multiple funded is always the move, to be honest. Yeah, 100%. I'm going to work on passing 2 more with TopStep. Once I get my first payout with TopStep, I'll take that and just buy more funded accounts. But going on tilt is the fun part. Yes, it's the fun part, quote unquote. I trade gold in Asia. I love the movement in Asia. Yeah, Asia session does have some good movement. Let me type this in here. 75 likes. Well, and okay, y'all. If you think we're gonna do the giveaway today, just give me a type of 1 in the chat if you think we're really gonna get there. I don't know. It's a little light, but I want to see what everyone thinks. Like, do we get the 75 likes? Because 75 likes on my streams are a little rich, but Let me see what you guys think. We're a quarter of the way there. 25 likes. But if you think we can get there, type 1 in the chat. And I'd be happy to freaking give away the accounts. But 75, I think that's like the most likes I've ever gotten on the stream. And it's only Monday. You know what I mean? It's only Monday. And it's holiday week, so people are out. So I don't know. The odds are stacked against us a bit. Odds are stacked against us. A 1 + 1. Okay. Okay. Hashtag got candle. Let's go. Reason for entry. Just two things. One, we're moving higher, so we got longs. And then two, it's just the structure. So we broke this last higher high. So all I'm looking for is the next leg higher. That's two. And then three, I would want to wait for the candle to touch this demand and then close above the 13 EMA. So it's a bit of a risky play, but we're moving higher. We're just trading with the trend. And yeah, we're not looking for a crazy amount of points. I like the risk and I like the movement long. Nice, man. Nice. Retest. Yeah, exactly. Not financial advice. Remember that. Not the other guy. Some other guy said to be careful. So now I'm like trying to take it serious here. Do not follow anything that I say. It's all for entertainment purposes only. Liamas. Sounds like I cussed there. Hello. Watching gold as well. ES is probably going to sell. Possibly. Got market open coming on gold. Gold's on the bottom of the screen. I'll be honest, I don't feel comfortable trading the live funded account, but it as well do it. The 5 minute, if on gold we break below this last lower high or higher low, I will look to go short. So we need to break below. Oh, you're late. Oh, you're all good, brother. Trading supply and demand zone. Yep, that's correct. Trading supply and demand zones. Do you have a trade copier? I don't. TopStep has its own trade copy section here where you could Project X, I should say, but TopStep I don't know who has it, TopStep or Project X, but either way, TopStep's Project X account, like where you could trade from platform, you could copy trade 5 accounts. We're at 30 likes. Not bad, guys. We're getting closer to the goal. Trust me, I want to give away the accounts. They said I can. But I can't just give it away. You know what I mean? Can't just willy-nilly. Here's a 50K account, guys. We gotta earn it somehow. Earl Grey tea is not good. Not good. Well, I know TopStep does, but I saw you sign into another prop firm. That's why I asked. Oh, gotcha. No, this is TX3 Markets. So this is my other challenge that I'm trying to pass. So just having it pulled up just in case it's time to trade. Especially from Starbucks. Yeah, bro. Yeah, it's just it's not tasty, but I gotta drink it because feeling under the weather. It's been whatever this super flu is, guys. Oh my gosh, it has knocked me out. But I had to work, so yesterday was the only day that I could quote unquote rest. But I still came into the office and had to work. So considering calling it a little bit early today, the team's editing videos, and I might just call it early. Are you trading tomorrow? Unfortunately, no, I'm not. I'll be on the road tomorrow, so I won't be trading tomorrow. Hashtag God Candle. We're not there yet, bro. We're not there yet. The coffee looking better and better now, huh? Dude, I want coffee, but it's like the phlegm, Eric, and like, dehydration. I need to drink. I have a bunch of water over there, so as you know, coffee dehydrates you. Excuse me. BTC. Man, people love their BTC. BTC. They're in the game. EA Sports. All right, yeah, BTC is coming back up. Not bad. $90,000 psychological level is kind of where we're floating around. With the low volume, Bitcoin might come back up. Come back to 94,000. It could. I see this 1 hour supply being strong selling point, 91,933 level. But yeah. All right, we got NQ coming down to our potential level to go long, but market opens in 15 minutes, so we got to decide what we're going to do. Ashen, welcome. Welcome. I don't think I have had a good tea at the Starbucks. I like chai tea latte. So that's the only tea that I actually do genuinely like from there. So chai tea. Solid. EA Sports. It's pay to play. What? I don't think that's the saying. I used to play Madden 64 like religiously when Madden came out for the N64. Bro. Actually, you're right. Chai tea hits. It does, bro. It just hits the bank account a little too hard. Every time I try getting a chai tea, I'm like, bro, $6 or $5? Ah, there's just, it's good, but not that good. I don't want to get that every day. So I try to, I usually just get regular coffee. Maybe I'll learn how to make coffee on my own. I mean, chai tea latte on my own. EA is all about microtransactions nowadays. Oh, EA. What is it? Are you talking about like the algorithm EAs or the automated trading stuff that was in Forex? Is that Euro USD? No, this is NASDAQ in the middle and then gold on the bottom screen. No Ken and Q. Need to probably slap this up on the screen somewhere. Boom. Oh, Electronic Arts. Yes. Yeah, sorry. There is something called EA in trading. I thought you were talking about microtransactions with that. But yes, Electronic Arts, yeah. EA Sports is all about paying to win now. Oh, really? I didn't know that. I'm gonna eat my freaking bar early today. It's supposed to be at 7:30, but I'm like hungry. What is this? Expert algo. Yes, thank you. I knew you know what I was talking about. Expert algo. People are selling those things left and right. How do I know? Because I bought one from a guy. The past prop firms too back in the day, and they were trading microtransactions, 0.1, 0.2 lots, and just like catching the spread and trading, passing an account. But yeah, that was all fugazi. What do you guys mean by microtransactions for EA? What am I trading? NQ in the middle, gold and gold in the bottom. Name several, bro. Fortunately, I fell for it. These EAs were working with the prop firms, getting people to buy an EA and buy an account to pass. It was basically another Ponzi scheme. And I was wearing my I know what I'm doing hat and shilling it, unfortunately. And once I found out it was fake, I was embarrassed. They force you to buy skins and stuff in the game. Oh, I see what you're saying. You go Japanese guy. Pay for everything you complete. AKA Fortnite approach. I see what you're saying. Yeah. I do miss the old days, but I also like getting free games. You know what I mean? I rarely ever pay for anything. The only thing I do pay for sometimes are the cars in the Rocket League. I have an R34. I have Back to the Future. And that's it. Hashtag God Candle. Hey, put it in. Put it in. We're at 30 likes, guys. We're a little light, but we still got time. Oh, dang, we're at 40 likes. My bad. Okay, so I am gonna get six or so free games on Steam Deck. I'm sure you're talking about Steam, not Steam Deck, but Steam. Yeah, I had it for my Mac. I have a Mac Studio here, and I downloaded. What game was it? Halo, freaking! But I haven't played it yet, and I had to turn it. I had to take it off my computer because I needed all the space I can get. And now that I don't need the space like I used to, I want Steam so I can play freaking Halo. Arma 3 is pretty sick. Never heard of it. Never heard of it. Arma 3. Sounds like a gun game. Hashtag got candle. I guess if you guys want to get it in there early, thinking that we're gonna actually get into the 75 likes, then put them in. Steam Deck is the console Steam release. Yes, you're right. Yes, thank you. All I want for Christmas is Steam and Halo. That's all I want for Christmas. And an R33 GTR. I don't know yet. I don't know if we're going to pull the trigger. That's going to be next year, so. I'm live on Facebook and there's no love. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Don't. That's what comes to mind when I look at my Facebook Live. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. When she's gone. Gone. It's like World War III simulator. It's in Steam. I feel like Steam is the final form of gameplay. Like you start off with a console as a kid, you know, and then you play, you know, easy, friendly, fun games, and then you get into Grand Theft Auto. You grow up and you start playing more risque type of games, more blood and gore. And then you no longer buy games because you have a high-end PC because you can afford it as an adult. And then you buy Steam, and then you never buy console ever again. It's the final form for us gaming adults. Steam is a Steam metric site. They have freebies on there from time to time. Agreed. I know some of the games. What's the one? It was the first Battle Royale type of game, and I played it on my phone. Then I downloaded it on Steam. Gosh, I'm having a brain fart. One of the greatest games ever. I have Armor 3, but I have no one to play with most of the servers other than people who camp with the cars. When you have to run 30 minutes to die, then repeat. If that's a battle royale game, it's pretty much how it is, man. What pair are you trading? I'm trading gold and XAU USD and NAS 100. I know. Okay. I will put my Steam name in Discord for those who want to add me. Nice. Yeah, maybe I need to get that back on my Mac. Try King of the Hills. Bro, that brings me back to freaking that brings me back to Halo. King of the Hill. PUBG. Thank you. Thank you. Player Unknown Battlegrounds. Like, what kind of name is that? It worked out because everyone called it PUBG. I know. Okay, Tony. Hope you're all right, brother. I was playing GTA 5 when I was in grade 4. No. Oh. Wait, hold on. I think I was the same grade. I remember playing GTA. You were playing GTA 5 in grade 4? I'm sure you're playing Grand Theft Auto in general, but yeah, I remember getting my hands on Grand Theft Auto because family friend let me sleep over their house, and it was like a married couple, and he let me go on his PlayStation 3 at the time, 2 or 3, and it was GTA 2 or 3, whatever. And I remember like robbing a car and stealing it and driving it, and I was like, this is amazing, running over people. PUBG, yeah, that's right. How do you get your entries? My entries are based on market structure and supply and demand. So right now, this was a 5-minute demand that I was looking to go long in, but we didn't get that retracement. This is a 1 hour supply that we're looking at up here. With market about to open, nothing's for sure right now. Gold right here on the 5-minute, we're on the 1 hour creating new all-time highs. So potentially looking at longs at this point since that 1 hour candle closed, making a new higher high. So possibly looking at longs down here, but that also means that price would want to retrace. So maybe we catch a short into that position long. Trend line doesn't look that great, but it's lyrics to Ain't No Sunshine. He forgot the lyrics and they just kept it. So they say, I know. Oh. I see. That makes sense. I have to play it. Oh, no, never mind. You're going to get demonetized. Can't play it. Dude's a young buck. San Andreas was the jam. Yeah, for real, bro. Yes, San Andreas was the jam. Dude, I remember that vividly. The graphics upgrade, like all of it was like mind-blowing to me. All right, markets open, everybody. Stay tight. Remember, it's the week of the holidays, so volume's not going to be crazy. But there's no rush. We ain't rushing to do anything. All right, we got 43 likes on the screen. We're getting close to the giveaways. I remember playing Red Dead Redemption at someone else's house, and I love it. But when I want to get it, I got Red Dead Undead Nightmare by accident, and I was sad. Oh, I didn't know there was another version of the Red Dead Redemption. Red Dead was cool. I don't remember like falling in love with it. But I remember playing it at a friend's house. I think it was a storyline, like having to follow the storyline wasn't my style. I'd like multiplayer and just like sniping people, or I liked playing against other people basically. And I don't think Red Dead had that multiplayer. I was playing Multi-Theft Auto back in high school. Was the modded multiplayer for San Andreas on PC before GTA Online was a thing. What? That's crazy. I didn't know that. Trend lines, anything chart-based is new form of gambling. Trend lines, anything chart-based is a new form of gambling. You know big players don't trade like this, right? Yes, I do, sir. I understand that large hedge funds and large traders don't look at trend lines, but I know people who are profitable off of trend lines. So whether they're trading multi-million-dollar accounts or not, people like you, what does it matter? Who cares if people short? I love my favorite analogy is if someone shorts on the full moon and it's high tide and they short and they win, what the heck does it matter? How much on TopStep do you trade? Like how many contracts? On a funded account, I'm trading 3 micros, 5 max for a full size. On a eval, max size 10 micros, which is 1 mini. And there are some people who look at candles, you know, so we can't discount those guys. As far as high volume, profitable traders. All right, NQ tapped this 1 hour demand, as you can see, or 1 hour supply, and then rejected. Yeah, I know them too, but why are you not talking all the information you can get? I mean, combined with a theory how markets really move, what I mean, at least the order flow within not. Why are you not talking about all the information you can get? I mean, combined with, because I did all my research on Elliott Wave. I did my research on RSIs. I did my research on so many different theories and market strategies that I had to dumb it down to a system that works for me. And if it works, it don't matter, right? All right, so NQ has broken. I'm going to watch this 5-minute candle. This 5-minute candle closes bearish on NQ. I will look for shorts up here. Gold broke this trend line. No reason to go short. It's very high risk. Staying patient, waiting for some opportunity here. We have a new 1 hour supply right here. I ideally would like to see price come up to this 5-minute supply. Look at ES. NAS and ES kind of look the same, so I just stick to looking at NAS. Oh, look at what I know that you don't, but I'm still not rich. I see what you're saying. Might help if he was literate. I think he's just typing too fast. Eric, my man, can you speak English? This guy. Where do you recommend to learn more on Elliott Waves? Where did you do your research? YouTube. YouTube has all the free resources. I mean, if you have your edge, okay, but what do you mean don't mind? Why are you getting like attached from this? Like attacked from this normal conversation? Okay, but okay, I stop. I'm not thinking I'm attacked, but you're telling me that that I'm not doing enough research. Like, you're assuming that I don't know what I'm doing and that I'm gambling with using trend lines. So if you're a profitable trader, I don't know why you would be telling me this and asking me this, you know. What does it matter if you are a profitable trader? Which I don't I assume that you're not, because you're spending time on other people's, lives, telling them why they should be doing this and that trend lines and stuff don't work. I assume profitable traders don't even have the time or care to jump on other people's streams to tell them when they're wrong. Elliott waves doesn't work on live markets due to too risky. If it's for a course, you can try and teach. All indicators, every indicator, any indicator that you can buy, any indicator that you can get for free, doesn't matter. All indicators are all lagging indicators. Nothing is more true and telling than price action. And these candles are speaking, quote unquote, volumes to what's happening right now. So that's why my screen is as simple as possible. I still am considering volume profile indicator to add into just one more confluence in what I'm doing. But, just to set the tone for everybody, all indicators are just lagging indicators. Any specific sources or traders you watch to learn more of Elliott Wave? I do go through the YouTube. I don't. This was a while ago. This was back in 2021 when I was trying to geek out as much as possible on trading. So I don't remember a specific person. If you ask me about supply and demand, I know the two guys. It's Carmine Rosado and Doyle Exchange on YouTube. Those two guys, supply and demand kings. Like, they know what they're doing. If he's profitable, why is he here? Yeah, he's fair. Exactly. Just a little research and implementation of EW have helped point out a great direction. So I respectfully disagree. And all down to learn more on EW. Now, I mean, all indicators can work. You can be profitable looking at the bids and asks on. You can just take this all away and just look at the bid and the asks and on the DOM charts, and you can look at everything and see where the asks and sells are, and people can be profitable just like that. That's how they traded back in the day. So I mean to do a conversation, and also I say that because you are using strategies that are proven not working on long-term indicators, etc., are bound to specific market conditions. I mean this with all respect. You don't know what you're talking about. Like, you are speaking out of a lack of knowledge. How do you know that what I am doing is not profitable? How do you know that supply and demand is not profitable? How do you know that trend lines are not profitable? Are you saying that because you heard it somewhere, or are you saying that because you have figured that out yourself? TDA is more than enough for Confluence. TDA. I know what TDA is. He's just rage baiting. If he is, he's pretty good. If he does it for a living, he's getting paid well. If he does it for a career, he's successful. Mailman. True. I like to jump in on these rage baits, or even if they're being honest or just rage baiting, because it's a good way to help other people that are on the stream when they're brand new. Because I was the guy that was chasing every setup, every strategy, and listening to the people that sounded like they knew they were talking about. The confidence is what got me drawn to those type of people. And then I would go down this spiral and this confusion of not knowing what I'm doing again. And I realized you don't have to know everything to be a profitable trader. Don't waste your time with them. Thanks, guys. Well, on the likes, we're at 46. Not bad. We're getting close. I want to give this by the end of the stream, so I want to be done by like 8:45. Make sure I give the accounts 8:45. So we got to get the likes up. NQ is selling off, which is nice. I don't want to chase it. We might not get the opportunity that we're looking for to go short here. Oh, excuse me. If it continues selling off, that's all right. We'll just be patient and wait for the reversal. Your trading strategy helped you pass your funded accounts. Yeah, exactly. Yes, exactly. All right, so gold has some interesting opportunity. Only problem is we're all-time high, and there isn't a 1 hour supply, which is one of the confluences I need to go short. But if we're just trading market structure, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower. Well, it's not higher high, but higher high, lower high, lower high, higher high, and then we broke below it here. Right, so now we're creating a new lower low. So potentially shorting here with the change of structure, but we don't have 1 hour supply to go short in. Are you doing curls today? I don't. What are you talking about, Wolf? I don't know what you said. It's either the giveaways or the curls. Okay, we can't do all of it. Okay, there's too much going on. Either do the 50K and the 25K, or I just do curls. Okay. I'll do the curls. I'll add it in so we can get this freaking. So I can give these accounts away. We do 75 likes. I'll do 25 pound curls. 25 reps. No, you don't need to know everything, but you need to have a base information and not just stuff that getting put up by trader industry that makes 95% losers. All right, bro. Cool. What time frame is that top? This one is 5. Both of them are 5-minute right now. Supply and demand, TDA plus fair value gap is more than enough. Why go with Elliott waves, fib retracement, etc., when they're not even related to price action on the market? Yep. I agree. Keeping it simple. Sometimes, you know, the fib retracements do work for some. Fair value gaps isn't my thing, but it does work for some. It all comes down to you as a trader yourself. You know, you can stay profitable for years and then be lucky or one have a certain condition and edge, but you could only constantly trade the markets when you understand how they are moving and who moves them. Okay, yeah, tell us who moves them. Who moves the markets? How come the NQ graphs are very different? Oh, sorry. They're not both NQ. This one is gold at the bottom, and then NQ's at the top. I personally like to get as much confluence as possible. I like that. I agree. But at the same time, sometimes too many and then you're wrong can really mess with you. I've been there. It's like I have all the confluences in the world and the trade didn't work out, you know? So I just stick to 3. And if it's a winner, it's a winner. If it's not, it's not. So this trade right now is missing 1 confluence, which is being in a 1 hour supply. NQ longs seem pretty interesting to me. Depending on how this next 5-minute candle closes. I mean, nothing's clear yet, but I could see position long forming. Oh. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. Maybe I take this on the TX3 Markets account because it's just an eval. Excuse me. If it spikes up and rejects on 5 minute, potentially taking it short. Fair. Almost time for the 50K. Oh, it's a combined effort, Papa. We got to get the 50, you got to get the 25. You know what I mean? It's like a thing. They go together. So now the 50's live. 50, no matter what, is going to be given. Oh wait. We got to get the 50 to get the 75. So we got to get 25 more. We're almost there. I made an audible there because I want to make it fair to everybody. Bro, that's happened to me too. It seems like your graph is faster than mine while yours is dumping. Mine was still going up or not as a dump. There's a lag on the live for sure too, just so you know. So none of this is financial advice, and you should not be trading based on whatever I do. But if you are looking at the charts and comparing, this is like a 4 or 5 second delay for you guys. I mean that you chat thinks I'm rage baiting when I'm only starting a normal convo. Say very much about them. Hit them up, guys. There you go. Yeah, I mean, let Eric know your thoughts. Okay, longs on NQ were pretty decent. I didn't want to take it off the 1 minute, but I was potentially looking longs on the trendline break in that 1 hour demand. For now, I'm just going to let this play out. I still like shorts up here. I will be taking this short if we do get up here. Taking Eric as my mentor now. Need more likes. Hey, we're getting there. All you need to do is buy support and sell resistance, preferably on the higher time frame levels. The bigger the time frame, the bigger the move. 100%. Got a new subscriber. I like the vibe. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Mac and cheese. That's a funny name. I like that name. Thank you, man. Means a lot. Every subscriber means a lot. So thank you. I seem to find it often for NQ. Wish I could just find one NQ to trade. I have a previous mentor who uses one kind. Looks different than what I can find, and yours looks different. LOL. Weird. I don't know. This is TopStep. I mean, sorry. This is Trading View. NAS 100 is what I'm trading. Every strategy is just support and resistance. Yeah, 100%. That's the basis of most strategies. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Join the Discord too, bro. It's completely free, and we trade there all the time. We chat it up. I'm compare and contrast for studying, but it's hard when my graphs are different. I'm just trying to figure out what's going on. Are you using TradingView, Tony? Because if you are, you need to look to see if you have live data. You see here the CME, and this green light here says markets open, and I think I'm getting live market like data. I pay like, I forgot how much it is, $4.99 a month. But yeah, I would look into that. Right now I'll be trading with Tradeovate once I get the check from my car when I sold my car. So I'll be putting for broker, like if you're going to trade live funds, I'm going to go with Tradeovate. So yeah.
Order filled.
All right, we are in on TX3 funded. I mean, if you guys someday want to start trading, try supply and demand, auction market theory, plus second level data, plus understanding where big players see key points, or just get info from Tom Vorwald. Interesting. Do you work for Tom Vorwald, Eric? And do you get commission if they buy something from them? Yes, TradingView. Oh, I have the free basic kind. Thank you. Yes, that's I used to have the same issue too. Back in the day, I would look at the charts and nothing looked the same. So yes, that makes sense. If you go through prop firms, they usually pay for the market data on their actual trading platform with the prop firm. So that's one avenue too. That's why I call Eric my emotional support Eric. But do as he say, not as he do, because he will say to cut back his lot contract size, but then the next time you talk, he's full send it. That's funny. The trade on gold is looking decent. If we crack the lows here, I'm going to add in. We're not in the clear. I'm looking to add in if we get any sort of reversal into our area. What prop firms allow crypto trading? I think TX3 Markets has that, and Funded Hero. Need to check. I forgot if they do or not. Nah, bro, is selling a course here. Yeah, honestly, if he is selling a course, it's genius. It's genius. Nah, it's my master. He is, bro. You should not be calling anybody your master. For real. Do not call anybody your master. Only for me, God and Jesus. But don't be calling anybody else a master, bro. He is no normal course seller. He will only let you guys buy his product when they see you have potential. They are commercial, but likely not money hungry. Time to boot this bot. And I even bought something from him. If you don't do it right, just build your own learning plan. 46 months. Yeah, we'll be talking about a moderator next year. I know, Will, you wanted to go up for that, but this is one of those where it'd be like, booted. He's booted. Papa, what does TDA stand for? Yeah, what does TDA stand for? Because I forgot to ask about that. Thoughts on Apex? Apex is a good firm. I always just say the 30% consistency rule once you're funded is what frustrates me the most. But it is what it is. It's part of the game. Besides that, they pay out. Their fees are very reasonable. Tradeovate is their go-to. So, yes, master. That's funny. BTC might be a buy here if it closes 90,200. Strong, yeah, for sure. I think we looked at that level earlier. Well, gold is probably going to stop out now. I hope not. I hope not. We're not in the clear yet, and we're also not close to stopping out. But we just got to let it ride. Top-down analysis. Analysis. Got it. What does it mean with Apex 30%? Yeah, when you get funded with Apex, you have a 30% consistency rule, meaning your profits can't be more than 30% of your total profit. I know Eric or somebody's gonna correct me, or not correct me, but like help me out with this. But you can't make, just like TopStep 50% consistency rule. You can't make more than 50% of whatever your total profits are. So you have $3,000 in profit. You can't. One of your trades can't be larger than 50%. So if you do that with Apex, if you have $3,000 in profit, you can't be more than, what is it called? 30%. Your largest trade can't be larger than 30%. I'm going to lower my stops here. We just added into the trade. Bro, I'm literally not a bot. I love feet and trading. All I read was he loves his feet, and then I read that. Oh man, that is funny, bro. Oh, that killed me. That got me. It's also 30% on the loss as well with Apex. I didn't know that. But I just love the Tom Vorwald lock. He's going you real information that will really help you. Oh, this guy's definitely a bot and shilling in making investment advice. All right, I'm gonna look him up, guys. Let's look up Tom Vorwald. Let's look up Tom Vorwald together. Tom Vorwald trading course. Dang. There's Tom. Is that Tom? Tom, what's up, Tom? Wonder how much he makes off the courses. All right, trade's looking decent right now. Trade's looking decent. Not going to move to break even just yet. I want to wait to see what this next candle close is going to look like. Potentially like taking profits here at the swing low. One trade can't be more than 30% of your profits. Yep. You live trade every day. I try to, but sometimes my job or my business doesn't let me, so can't promise it, but I try to go live every day, yes. That's weird. Wouldn't they want you to make as much money as you can for them? The answer is yes when you're actually on a live funded account. The answer is no when you are trading a demo funded account. So the trick is when they say you're funded, you're on a virtual or a simulated funded account, meaning you're not trading real money, and any profits that you do make are paid out by the company. Okay, bro. Sorry, Eric. Wish you the best. But, oh, I can't boot you. All right, bro. Take care. All right, so I'm at break even on this trade. Or, sorry, I'm not at break even. It's coming back up to break even. If it decides to flip, I'll go and add in 5 more. I do not do Telegram signals. I don't plan on doing that at all. Hit Gen X. Don't panic. No panic here. No panic here. I'm just going to add into the trade if it continues in our direction, right? That's all I'm trying to focus on. So if someone is an amateur and not complete beginner, would you recommend they go to those 2 guys you mentioned about supply and demand, trying to make my way to getting a prop for and blew my first? All good. That's the journey of blowing accounts. We've all blown plenty. Doyle Exchange and Carmine Rosado are good guys. I do recommend them professionally in the trading world. They have great content. You can find supply and demand videos for free anywhere. I paid for their courses and their groups. There's something to say when you actually get value out of the money that you pay for a course or accounts. And yeah, I learned a lot. I learned a lot from them. Supply and demand isn't for everybody. It's something that I felt comfortable with, that I liked the setup. I liked what I was looking at. I liked the time frames that I was trading. But if you're kind of new, but not new where you haven't traded before, I would suggest, exploring it and seeing if it fits your personality. If it's something that you like. So I added into the trade going short, just trying to add in as we go. I'm a little bit heavier on this because it's 100K of eval. Can you show us your P&L and TopStep? The TopStep account this is the live funded account. There's two 50K accounts that I have right here. And they're both at 1,400 each. Hopefully that helps you. So first of all, why are you blocking me? Second of all, that monkey in the chat, I even said, don't buy the course, make your own learning plan. Just use to free from Tom. Oh my gosh. Guys, can you help me out here? I feel defeated. The man got another account. Oh my gosh. Eric is back. This is marketing. This is marketing at its finest, to be honest. This Eric guy is crushing it. Or whoever is behind this marketing strategy. Pretty smart, not gonna lie. If someone is, I better give the money to the market and gain experience than buying Tom courses, my man. Yes, agreed. Can you show us your P&L? I think I did there. Thank you. Yep. So first of all, why are you blocking? I mean the performance stats. Yes. These are new accounts. So where do I do that? So this was last week, and have a 58.97% win rate. Average winning trades 188. Average losing 70. Excuse me. You probably don't even buy the course because they need to accept you, and you can't even comprehend small comments. You're right, Eric. I can't. Dude is lost. Yeah. Bro, go to Tom. What are you doing here? Yeah. He's definitely being paid by Tom. He is. He's being paid handsomely. He needs help spelling. Yes, he unfortunately does. Bro, you are mindless. Literally zero marketing. Never spoke with Tom eye to eye. You probably didn't speak to him eye, but cheek to cheek, maybe. Like face cheeks, not anything. That's what I was saying. I want to be nasty here. Talk about cheek to cheek. Like cheeks on your face. Second of all, I wouldn't make advertisement for free. Oh my gosh. All right, guys. I'm just going to ignore this dude. Have you been trading all of them during YouTube lives? I have. Yes, sir. Eric and everybody else can attest. Well, actually, I traded in my Discord on Thursday and Friday because I was at a hotel and couldn't go live. All right, I'm going to add in 3 more contracts here.
Order filled.
And just keep lowering my stop. Second of all, you've been trading during lives? Yes. He's just trying to spread the word of his master. Yes. Yes, he is. Mex. Yes, he is. Just ban this dude. I did. Bro, I did. And then he came up with another account. I banned this dude. He's like that annoying kid in school. You know what I mean? That like just causes a ruckus. And we're all just like the teacher has to like address him because he's like causing a ruckus. And we're all just like, seems like a cult to me. Now, why are you so obsessed with Tom? Yeah, that it does seem like a cult. If he's your Tom Cruise. No, I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh man, bro, Master gonna beat him if he doesn't get a subscriber soon. No. Oh man, that is too funny, bro. I wonder if we slept on gold market, will it go up over the span of the 6 hours like yesterday? Possibly. Never know. Can someone give me some Robux and Roblox? What in the world? What is my chat this morning? Or is this just for free marketing sales? Is handouts? I bet Tom is paying him $5 whole. Yeah, for real. Five whole, nothing more, nothing less. That gives the info for free. Bro. Literally, I'm gonna block him again, guys. If he pops up again, I don't know what to do. Report. Unwanted commercial content report. Hide user. Boom. All right, he's gone. So NQ didn't come to our area of entry. Gold. We are looking for the swing low. We might not get it, but we shall see. The 1 minute EMAs are getting close, 13 in the 200. If they cross, that's a very bearish signal. Update on the likes, we're at 58, so we're getting close to the 75, so better pump it up in the chat. Type 1 in the chat if you guys want this giveaway. 50k, TX3 Markets, 25k, Funded Hero. Type a 1 in the chat if we want it, guys.
Order filled.
Is this your primary source of income? No, it's not, sir. I have a agency business, marketing agency business. Ones, let's go. I mean, I just hate it when people are even too dumb to listen. You making tonight and you take it as the Holy Grail. Disgusting. You know what? Forget Tom and drown in your chat crap. Oh no, what? Wait, what? Is that Eric in another name? Excuse me. I would love to have it, sir. 1, let's go. People spamming 1. Hey, I'm good with people spamming 1, you know? It's better than Tom. I'd rather spam 1s than Tom. Maybe spammer win. Do you make a living off of trading? I do not. I trade. I mean, most of my money comes from my marketing agency. On the 15-minute, what do you think of the large bearish candle being measured on the move down? Which chart though? NQ or gold? He back? I thought he was back. Congratulations to the winner. Advance. Good luck. Hey, we're almost there. We got to get 75 likes though. We're not for sure, guys. We're not for sure. How do you get better at holding winners? You know what? I don't have the best answer for you, but Tom Hugart, the best loser wins, talks about adding to winning trades as opposed to adding to losing trades to, you know, get that muscle. And that's kind of what has been helping me hold on to winners, is to add into the trade, add into the winning trades. That makes sense. So potentially going to close here at the take profit area, but I'm just going to let it breathe, see what happens. All right, I'm closing it out. GG's. W's in the chat. $1,700 trade. Let's go. GG's. W's. Come on. That was a nice trade. A little bit of high risk on it. Had to break a structure on the 5-minute. And then I said, if this candle rejects, we're going to enter in below the supply box. We'd entered in, we scaled into the trade, we added into the trade all the way into take profit. So very good trade, solid. I decided to close. We are at all-time highs. I'm not sitting here trying to catch a huge winning trade. I didn't take this on the funded. I didn't want to risk it. Not a lot of volume. Also didn't have the 1 hour confluence, but I took the trade. So good job. Good job, everybody. Good job. Dude, freaking, it is him again. He keeps popping back. Put user in timeout 24 hours. There you go. He's gone again. Tell us about how did you start with market agency business? I fell into it. I build call centers for roofing and solar companies. I still have call centers that I manage. One of my clients owns a roofing company, and their social media sucked. And you know, I'm not a guru or like a professional videographer, but at the time I knew how to pick up a camera and shoot, and I decided to ask him if they need help. Closed that one account, got a second account, their third account, fourth account, fifth account, sixth account, seventh account, eighth account, ninth account. We're at 9 now, and now I shoot content and we edit it and post it and come up with strategies for them. So yeah, kind of fell into it. Let's see here. What's your user? www. Let's go. Wow, that's awesome. www. Let's go. Bro's like a parasite. Yeah, exactly. There goes gold. There she goes. There she goes again. There she goes again. That is my friend. And I can't take the pain. There she goes. There she goes again. Gold just went down. Yes, it did. It might continue lower, but I'm happy with the 1733 in profit that we closed on the trade. I say that, but if this thing drops even more, yes, I'm gonna freaking feel like an idiot. But overall, I call this a B trade. No 1 hour supply zone. Excuse me. But we took the shot. We managed the trade. We managed our risk. We added to the trade. And we hit our take profit. And you handle everything for them? That's awesome. Yes, we do. We post on their behalf. We descriptions on their behalf. Whole 9. How to generate income source without having money and skill. You don't need money, but you do need a little bit of skill. And I suggest going into sales. There's a lot of sales jobs out there that pay well. Gold could have hit your TP, bro. Well, this blue line is my TP. That was my initial first TP. And I was thinking that maybe we get down to this low, but I already had this blue line marked out. But a win is a win. Yeah, 100%, 100%. How do you get better at holding your winners? Just trying to get better at part of my trading. Yeah, I would write down in a journal while you're in the trade your thoughts on what you're doing and why you're about to do whatever you're about to do. And over time, you're going to start realizing what you're doing and why you're doing it. And then when you start feeling those feelings of trying to hold the trade or trying to get out of the trade, you'll start to not react to it. Journaling is nothing more than helping you realize what you're thinking and feeling at the moment. So don't look at the profits, look at what the chart is telling you and go from there. Guts and glory. Let's go. Luis, yo. What up, bro? What up? Hey, we're 15 likes away from the giveaway. 15 likes away from the giveaway. We're 15 likes away from the giveaway. Thank you so much, good sir. Absolutely, man. Absolutely, Mr. Mac and Cheese. All right. Good trade. Markets are slowing down a little bit. How much money should one save to start trading? Completely up to you, but I feel like a $2,000 to $3,000 account is a good size. But if you want to get into trading and not put real money at risk or that much money at risk, prop firms are a good alternative. Prop firms, you spend $100, $150 for a $2,000 or $3,000 account or a $50K account, and you can get funded with them with lower amount of risk. We need Eric to make more accounts and hit that like. Come on, Eric. Yeah, he needs to make more. Oh, wait, this is different, Eric. Yeah, you're talking about that other Eric. Sup, Gen X. Yo. Do you think anyone can be profitable in trading game? 100%. Yeah, there's definitely opportunity. There are definitely profitable traders. Excuse me. I've been profitable. But it's the low dips, it's the tilt, it's the emotional trading that takes me out of it. So, for instance, on these 250K evals, okay, we started a 50K account 2 weeks ago. We passed that 50K account. That's $3,000. Well, $6,000 on 2 accounts in profit. Even though we can't take any of that money because it's fugazi. Just think about it if it's real money. So I'm $3,000 up. Now I'm $1,500 up. So it's another $3,000. $9,000 in 3 weeks is what we were able to do so far. What's hard is when I lose. What's hard is when I end up taking a losing trade and not going on tilt. That's it. As long as I can control the tilt, I'm good. Are you done for the day? Maybe. I kind of wish I took this trade on the funded account, but I'm being very particular with the funded accounts. If we were trading with the trend, I'd like to see this trend line break with price tapping into the 1 hour demand first on gold. This is express funded? Yes. Yes, it is. I did the classic early crypto bust, made a lot, lost it all. You've inspired me to jump back in. Oh, awesome, man. If you've been through that, bro, you're good, man. You've got enough hair in your chest. You got enough battle scars that you'll be fine jumping back in. Just try to take it easy and take it slow. Take it slow. We have a free Discord. It's in the description. There's crypto traders. There's forex traders. There's futures traders. We trade corn and wheat. I'm just kidding. We just trade whatever. BTC short might come into play if it closes under 89,475 on the 15-minute. 84,975. Yeah, shorts are pretty good on this right now. We got a trend line break. Looks good. If I were to short it, I'd want to go short up here. 89,950. No bueno. Buenos días, mi amigo. I feel gold going down. Just a little recession right now. Just a little recession, yeah. I want to make that a shirt. Little recession. How do you find motivation to see charts every day? That's a good question. I wouldn't call it motivation. I love trading. For me, I just love trading. I love the concept of trading. I love that I don't have to. I can make money completely on my own with my own mind. So I really do love it. Bullish is in the house. What's up, Bullish? How was crypto, forex, and learning futures? We all make that cycle. It's either crypto first, forex, and then futures, or futures into forex, or forex into futures and crypto. There's many avenues in this trading life. I think it's something you have to love. Yeah, 100%. Something you do have to love. Bullish God coming in late. Put in that hashtag God candle, making sure he gets his win. Okay, guys, 75 likes. We're so close. But I'm going to stick to it today. We got to get 75. Does everyone here follow signals? His signals? Guys, I don't do signals. I trade live in front of people, and everybody does what they want to do. So, just want to make that known. Nothing that I say or do is financial advice. And I would not just trade. If you are going to trade something that I'm looking at, come up with your own reasonings, or at least take my reasonings and understand them for yourself. I don't do signals. I think he's meaning like live trades, like me right now. Yeah, exactly. Longs on NQ, or I mean on gold? Longs? Did I hear longs on gold? I didn't hear that. Made 500 on the live account on NASDAQ's market open. Done for the day. Let's go, bullish. Nice work, bro. GG's. The only signal here is God can't hashtag. Yeah, that's the truth. That's the truth. That is the only signal I give out is hashtag God can. Dang it. Dang it. I do like the gold longs, but it didn't tap into the 1 hour demand, so. Oh, excuse me. Everyone join the free Discord. NQ is a choppy range right now. Bullish, thank you so much. Yep, join the free Discord. You heard Bullish Gods. You heard him. You heard him loud and clear. He didn't stutter. Join the free Discord. FREE. If it's free, it's for me. Yeah, I like longs on NQ. So long as we break structure. Break the trend line. So I'm having a safer day today. I trade AUD USD. Wolf is our Forex guy. Okay, guys, if you want to go Forex, talk to Wolf in the Discord. All right, I'm gonna create different channels for us so we can talk about it. I have a Forex channel. We have a crypto channel. I have a futures channel. And then we're going to have a private account, a private chat. Excuse me. Oh, I don't feel good. I don't feel good. I'm going to have a private account where you must have a payout within 90 days. I don't know. Let's call it 90 days. And prove that payout to be a part of that channel. Either payout or, yeah, I mean, I guess payouts. And we're going to create that like little community in there. Because eventually, you know, I would like to have like legitimate profitable traders in the chat and we support each other. So yeah. Sellers look like they're losing momentum. Yeah, I agree. AUD, USD, XAUSD is basically GC. Yes, it is. I'm already in on the Discord. I listen to the live like a creepy clown. Just listening to you guys trying to get more knowledge. Not creepy at all, man. You just join in, you know, say what's up. What if I'm on a live today? Live only. That's, you know what? I thought about that. I wouldn't want you to show me your like total P&L because that's pretty personal. But maybe you can give me your 30-day P&L and just mark out like your total balance and whatnot and just show some sort of profitability. And then we'll keep that account or keep that chat open. Payout on a broker or funded? I would say payout on a broker, payout on a funded, and then if you have a broker and like you're profitable there, doesn't have to be large dollars amounts. It just shows that you're profitable for 30 days. Maybe the course of the 90 days, you know? What if I want to learn trading? What's a good way to dip my toes? Market structure and supply and demand are the two things that I'd suggest looking at. So the gold longs looked pretty decent. I didn't take it because we didn't tap into the 1 hour demand. So at this point, I'd be kind of chasing. So I'm going to take that idea off the table now. Can I show withdrawal payouts? Yeah, that works. Like you taking money out of your own account, that works for me. Obviously, you got to be a broker of some sort. Are you scalping? I don't know what the terminology is for scalping or what the parameters are, but my trades last 15 to 20 minutes. Like this last trade that we were in, it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25-minute trade. Guys, we only got 10 more likes and I can do this giveaway. Can we hit that 10? Can we get that 10? Gold making me crazy right now. Gold's a little bit choppy, but I can see shorts up in this level here. Ay, ay, ay. Hit the like and join the free Discord. You heard Bullish God, okay? He said it loud and clear. He's yelling at you right now. Hit the like and join the free Discord. That's how he's saying it. I would think that scalping is 4 hours and above swing. I can agree. What I would assume, I can see that. What giveaway are you doing? TopStep? No, it's going to be Funded Hero and TX3 Markets. Oops, I mean 4 hour today. 4 hour today is day trading above his swing. I knew what you meant. But I agree with you. Now I regret that we blocked Eric. We need him to create more accounts for likes. I know. Let's go. I'm holding true. I'm not gonna cut it short and say, okay, guys, you know what? We're gonna keep our word. 8:45. We got to get 75 likes, and we're so close. I think it's pretty fair that we're only 7 likes away. Trading can be boring. I like that statement. Trading should be boring. It should be. Freaking longs on the trendline break would have been money, bro. It would have been money. Why didn't you guys tell me to take that, man? Just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Everyone like the stream right now for the giveaway. Yeah, let's go. You gotta like it. All right, NQ's going lower, which is fine with me. Shorts are taking over on NQ to mark out the next demand. Nice sell-off on you. 69. We got 6 more left, man. Trading can be boring. Everyone is like the stream. Giveaway, such a choppy day. A little choppy on gold for sure. NQ's has some nice movement. Boring is fun. That's right. Boring is fun because we can like chat it up and like chill. You know what I mean? Hashtag God candle. Bro, my lips. All up here is like hurting so much because it's blowing my nose. It's super irritated. All right, you might switch to sell now. Yeah, I mean sell on gold potentially, like I said, up in this supply zone. But with it being all-time high, I don't feel too confident about that. NQ, I do I can see this this area right here being a good place to short. Can't find the Discord link. It's in the description, but hold up, wait a minute. Put a little love in it. Guys, we're getting really close here. And we're coming down to the wire. Said 845. Only need 6 more. So I don't know. It's up to you guys. Guys, I'm gonna call it I might call it a day. Like trading and work wise. Like I'm gonna do everything I can here, get with my team, make sure they're good. I need to shoot content for the dealership that I'm with downstairs, and once I'm done with that, I'm done. I'm gonna go home and rest. My wife is sick too. She's going through it. I feel so bad that I got her sick, but there's no way around it. 5 more likes. 5 more likes. Who's it gonna be? Three more likes. 3 more likes. 3. Who's it gonna be? Go to shower song. What is that? What's the shower song? Just gotta get 3 more. Some more. You guys like ASMR? My wife told me what ASMR was. GD, it's really going up. I said I was calling some longs here, and I was like, hey, you know, I kind of like the longs, but my issue was it didn't tap the 1 hour demand, so I didn't take it. Eric, what in the? What? I don't know if that's fair, but you know what? All right, we only need 1 more, but Eric sent the $2 to cover the last 2. Oh man, that is too funny, Eric. Thank you so much, man. That gets me half a chai latte at Starbucks. Thank you. Actually, a quarter of a chai latte. Thank you so much, man. Seriously, thank you. All right, guys, we did it. Everybody, you gotta move. We gotta move quick. Everybody, type in #GodCandle, #GodCandle to enter in. Everybody, #GodCandle. Bullish said it counts. All right, it counts. It counts. I gotta find that website again. Hold up. Everybody, #GodCandle. Gotta put it in there. Ah, man, I keep sucking in my mucus, and I'm not supposed to. Freaking tell me not to do that, guys. And when you hear me sucking the mucus, please yell at me. #GodCandle. All right, I'm going to give it a few more minutes, make sure everybody gets their chance to put it in. Just to let you know, it doesn't matter how many times you put it in. I'm gonna take away the duplicates. So it's just one is good. Just one is good, guys. One is good. Yeah, Papa Bear really did. Papa Bear literally entered the stream and slapped it in there. All right. Hold up, hold up, hold up. All right, I think we all got it in there. Everybody, I wish you the best of luck. We're going to do the 25K first. 25K funded account is going to go first. Filter by. All right, I'm going to put my hat in the ring here. If I win, hashtag God Candle, I will make it a second funded hero account. So it'd be 2 funded hero accounts of 25K and a 150K account. Only if I get chosen on the first round. Spice it up a bit. All right. Make sure there's no space. We're going to shuffle it around. Confirm. Here we go. 73 candidates for the first 25K account. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Filane. Congratulations to you, Filane. Please join the Discord directly. Want to make sure that you are in there and that you comment, send me a message directly, get a number in there. Elaine, are you here? Gotta make sure if Elaine is here. There you go. Let's go. Elaine, please join the Discord if you could, and then message me directly. I just posted your name. And once you message me directly, I'm going to tell you a number to post, and you'll post it here in the chat to verify that it's you. Okay, guys, let's go on to the next one. Okay, yes, thank you. I'm going to go on to the next one so that we can get both covered. Excuse me. This is for the 50K. The big one. Absolutely. Nope. Take your time, Philane. I'm in there. You'll see my comment with your name on it. Click my name, message me directly, and I'll get you that account. All right, guys. This is for all the beans. 50K. Exclude duplicates. Hashtag. Here we go. 79 participants. It went up a little. Everybody ready? Type a 1 in the chat if you're ready. No. Type a 3 in the chat. Type a 3 in the chat if you're ready. Come on, this is the big one. 50K. Come on, let's pump it up. Let's build it up. I want you guys to win. Type a 3 in the chat if you think you're gonna win this thing. Okay? Let's go. I think this is the 50K account. Three. 74. What the? There we go. Hey guys, start. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Shorten this 5-minute supply zone would have worked. 2, 1. Yo! Bullish! Bullish won the TX3 50K account. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Congrats. All right, Bullish, could you message me directly on Discord? I don't know what your name is on there. How do I get the Discord link? I got you. Hold on. Discord link is right there. It was Destiny. Yeah, Bullish showed up kind of late and put his hat in the ring. He came at the right time. He was trading. Boom. He won. Let's go. Oh, he's in the call? Oh, that's awesome. Oh, you guys are live on that's right. You guys are live on the Discord. Guys, while I'm live, there's also a live like group trading together inside of the Discord. So there's multiple conversations happening, people kind of chatting it up, connecting with each other. So you guys are welcome to be in there. Bullish, which one are you? Jamez? I'm pretty sure that's you. Because I know Dylan, Wolf, and Eric. Just message me directly if you could. That would be great. Did I say Jamez? Oh, it's James. Don't laugh at me. Please do not laugh at me. I said Jamez. Okay? Don't laugh because I said Jamez. That's embarrassing. Thanks, James. Or at Gen X. Said Jamez, bro. Bro, I said Jamez.
Reading in Spanish, bro.
I said Jamez, guys. I'm James. All right, I'm gonna jump back to the live. I had to jump in on the Discord to make fun of myself. Message. Just need first and last and email. Bingo bango. Okay, I got Jamez. Okay. I got him connected. Now I just need Phil. Where's she at? Oh, sorry. Philane. Philane, I assume you're a girl, but you're probably not. Oh, shoot. I forgot I gotta message my team. Excuse me. I got the Discord ready. Okay, nice. All right. Let me jump into Discord. Bullish, I already know it's you, so we won't need to do any verifications and whatnot. Now I just need to get... we need Delane. Delane, if you could just please... I don't know. Did you message me directly on the Discord already? Oh, you're getting it now. Okay. Gotcha. Rahan. Sorry if I butchered that. Sorry, man. I don't. I'm trying to remember, my friend. I'm trying to remember. I just want to be honest. I don't want to say yes and be lying. Longs on that freaking trade look good. Longs on NQ look decent also. Excuse me. I would want to see price break above this last high, lower high, me to go long for sure. We rolling the 50K? We did, mailman. We did already. Bullish Gods won that 50K account. Elaine, if you have any issues, just let me know. Just you can type in the chat. Let me know. Got this Mucinex here. Controls coughs, relieves chest congestion, thins, loosens mucus. 4-hour dosing. I just don't know if I want to take more medicine. I only took it once in the last 5 days, which was last night because I needed to get some sleep. I just don't want to be dependent on the medicine, so. Awesome. Thank you. Volume's dying out. I was getting kind of interested, and I don't know if I want to take it. Well, I'm pretty happy with today's win on gold shorts. High risk trade. We hit TP. Not bad. Is your blood type syrup? Yeah, I'm sure it is. We Ian in the Discord chat currently, but we'll see how it plays out. Nice, man. Let's go. Yeah, I don't know how this is gonna work out. It's kind of new for everyone because we started trading live on the Discord Thursday or Wednesday because I was at a hotel. It was Thursday and Friday. So, I'm going to keep going live on YouTube to keep, bringing in new people and everything like that. And I think I'll start to verify the people who are trading in the Discord, make sure that they're legit and they kind of line with my beliefs. They don't have to have the same setup, but, they are profitable. They care about the community. They want to do this, and we'll start marking out like leaders in it. And people are free to join in the Discord and listen and do what they want to do in there. I'm generally not being horrible. You just don't understand the reference. I don't. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Maybe I don't. I'm so sorry. I don't understand the reference. Longs on NQ. I'm still waiting for you, Thelaine. I'm just hanging out here. This bullish. Perfect. I just checked your message. All right, Billich, I just sent it over to the team, and just waiting for their confirmation. It takes a few hours, but everyone's gotten there, so you'll get yours in a bit. Which time frame? Got 5 minutes, 5 minute, and the 1 minute. It's from a rap battle. No need to apologize, bro. Okay, cool. I have to look it up for sure, though. Does discipline necessary in trading or life for profitable? Yeah, I don't call it discipline. I don't know why that just doesn't. It's not about being disciplined. It's about being aware of your feelings and not reacting to them. You know, so emotional control or emotional awareness is what is going to allow you to be profitable, not discipline. As you can tell, I'm a heavy set guy. Doesn't mean I'm that I'm not profitable. There are overweight people who are profitable who aren't disciplined in their eating habits and working out. I used to think I worked out really hard. I was trying to get really fit and skinny because I thought that was going to make me profitable. When I realized it wasn't about being skinny that made me a profitable trader. It was being aware of your current feelings and emotions. To become profitable, must become the best loser. You can't understand trading is a long-term skill. So take your time with your journey. 100% bullish is on the money. That is the truth. You gotta be the best loser possible. Best loser. Church Condi versus Prinley pen game rap battle. Okay, I'm gonna copy that right now. It's literally send it to myself. I won't be able to play it because I don't want any demonetization, but I'm gonna text it to myself. Now look it up. But that's for you if you understand British humor. I don't, but I want to be cultured. You know, I want to know as much culture as I can from around the world. So to be a profitable trader, you have to stare at the charts 24/7. I disagree with you 100% on that one. Can you say six numbers between 1 and 45? What? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are 6 numbers between 1 and 45. That's right. Emotions definitely play a huge role. It's the truth. That's the truth. It's 90% psychology and 10% technical analysis, to be honest. Filane, are you still here? I don't see your message, to be honest. I just want to make sure that we're on the same page. Tony, I'm still up in, still reading this in YouTube. He's in the Discord. That's right. Emotions definitely play a huge role. Been doing this almost 6 years now, and trading can change your life, give you the freedom, and the life just depends on what type of trader you want to be. It's the truth. I realize I'm a scalper. I realize I don't like swing trading. I don't like holding long. Okay, guys, the trading party continues in the Discord. The trading party continues in the Discord. Please join the Discord. It's completely free. If it's free, it's for me. You're charging nothing. There's free content in there. There's profitable traders in there. It's all free. It's better to lose money with somebody. It's also better to make money with other people. It sucks losing money by yourself. I think we all know what that feels like. So join the Discord. Jump in there. Filane, I need you to jump in ASAP, please. ASAP. 1 year later, I'm just getting my emotions in check. 100%. It's gonna take time, and give yourself some patience, Mimi. It's not fun, but at least you're on the journey, right? Most people don't want to take the risk of losing money, and the fact that you're willing to says a lot. Can I just integrate myself into the computer, LMAO? I wish, man. I wish it was that easy to take your emotions and just become a computer. I need to learn trading dead or alive, or someone please kidnap me and teach me trading. Ah, you know what's better than all that? The Discord. Join the Discord. The link. Filane, I sent the link earlier. Boom. There's the link. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Guys, I most likely will be in the Discord because I'll be traveling tomorrow. So just a heads up. Absolutely, Mimi. Thanks for joining. Enjoy the Discord. Join the fun. The Discord is frizzle. It's completely frizzle. I'm just chilling, waiting for Elaine, actually. So, Elaine. All right, Elaine, I think you joined here. I keep sucking in the mucus. Mimi, awesome. Looking forward to seeing you there. Okay, guys, if you're looking to buy a funded account with Funded Hero, please use ShackMT. The link is in the description. TX3 Markets, they have futures and Forex. If you're looking to get an account with them, use ShackMT. I'm working on some other affiliate programs with other prop firms that are willing to take me on. But for now, those are the two. Join the Discords in the description. This was a fun stream. I had a good time. We had one winning trade, which is great. I might be taking the NQ longs, to be honest. But I wanted to break this last lower high. So if it does happen, I'll post in the chat that I'll be taking it long. So yeah, fun stream. Thank you guys. Love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.